This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
Look, up in the sky. It isn't a bird or a plane delivering the ribbon for a grand opening ceremony, but a drone.
All right, 3, 2.
This is how Curiosity Lab introduced itself as a high-tech research center. It will be a real-world application of artificial intelligence, robotic, and 5G technology for autonomous vehicle development, among other things.
Big cities have a problem in common. It's traffic and CO2 emissions. 5G, autonomous transportation, will help to solve these issues going forward, and this is a great place here to test those applications.
That extends to perfecting the details of changing delivery systems, like having a remote-controlled drone drop off your lunch order at a designated spot faster than a human driver. Funded in part by the city of Peachtree Corners, Georgia, the Curiosity Lab will put autonomous vehicles through testing on public streets. For automakers, this can be an outside validation of how viable their concept vehicles really are. One of them, Kia, hopes that the lab can be useful in the further development of the Habanero crossover.
I think the people here are planning on it, yeah. And certainly this car with, it's all-wheel drive, all electric, it's level 5 autonomous.
While not yet a production car, the reaction it generates from the public and the research community points to a desire for mobility that is a big step closer to a truly smart car.
It's got a feature inside that called READ is the acronym for it. It's real-time emotion adaptive driving. So it uses AI to read your emotions and then adapt the atmosphere of the car with sound and music and also lighting and even scent. So to adapt to your mood, to make your driving experience better.
And if local politicians have their way, the Curiosity Lab will be the first step in creating an East Coast technology incubator to challenge the dominance of Silicon Valley. I'm Greg Morrison.